Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a darling project for Christmas of next year. You're like, huh? How'd that work? It's not quite Christmas of 2023. Here's the great news, guys. If you're like me, and I completely blew my list of what I wanted to get accomplished for 2023, I'm already thinking about Christmas of next year, and maybe you are too. The Little Garden House series is one of our customers' favorites. It's always been seasonally based, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Well, we wanted to surprise you with a Christmas version, and here it is. And yes, if you've been following along, Little Garden House in winter will be launching in January of 2024, and it's darling. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. But as I said, with Christmas projects, we always have these ambitious lists, right? And time just escapes us. Life happens when we're making plans. And so many times we miss the mark, and I absolutely did terribly this year. Mostly doing new projects for you guys. But whatever the reason being, give yourself some grace. Christmas is coming again. That's the great news. So we're offering you a chance to reserve the Little Garden House in Christmas this year, just a $10 deposit. This will be shipping in February of 2024. And hey, let's be intentional. Let's when that kid arrives, say, all right, I'm sewing that this month. Check that off the list. There'll be more to do the next month, and the next month, and next month. So that way we're getting further along that list and making it actually happen next year. Just like the other kit's background is pieced here, prefused laser cut applique. We know you love that. Inner border, outer border binding, as well as your backing. We could not resist embellishing our Christmas tree with some beautiful hand-dyed red buttons. That will be included in your kit. And as always, we have a coordinated thread set. Be sure to pick that up, a 50-weight sulky cotton thread set. And grab those super non-stick size 80-12 needles. They're perfect for fusible applique. These are the notions that we used for the project, with this really being our MVP. We love to be able to take our diagrams, our laser shapes, the light box, and the Applifuse mat to pre-assemble shapes and bring them onto the background. The alignment is just perfect. It's an awesome process. So be sure to check that out. I've done a lot of tutorials on how to use these elements. So if you're unfamiliar with that, be sure to check that out. Invaluable tools. These are my absolute favorites. If you need to get any notions, be sure to do that. Of course, a fresh blade in the rotary cutter is always a great place to start. A fresh needle in the sewing machine, new spool of thread, all of the normal things that kind of set us up for success. But the most important thing is to reserve your kit, limited as always. There is so much coming your way in the new year. I am it's so excited. Things we've never done before. You do not want to miss out on anything. Subscribe to YouTube, hit the bell, get on the newsletter, let your friends know. This is the place to be for so much inspiration and education. Thank you so much for giving me part of your day to show you about the Little Garden House series at Christmas. I'll see you soon.